very in tune. Oh my gosh. World records. You guys ready? You don't have to clap, sir. Don't drop the baby. Everybody else. Here we go. Start the clap, come on. You don't know why, you don't know my approach. This lady is not clapping. I will say a prayer about that day tomorrow. Just call out my name, I'll be here. Alright, man, the song's over. You can clap now. Playing itself, it is a pedal board that I invented. I'm playing lots of pedals at the same time. This is 1 foot drumming. Normal drummer, both hands and both feet. That's just my right foot and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pedals. When I perform faster, I am using both of my feet. Like a million pedals. You guys can clap now. That was impossible. It gets better. I'm gonna add 3 more instruments on top of all of that. Up here we have a combination guitar, bass guitar, and a mini keyboard. This is the bass neck. I flipped it upside down. The strings are on the back of the instrument. I'm gonna perform the bass with my thumb. That was it. Wow. Alright guys, stop rushing up with the 20s. I haven't even done the keyboard solo yet. This is the most difficult thing I do. At the end of the song, there is a keyboard solo. I'm gonna have to divide my right hand into 2 parts. Keyboard with my fingers, while I strum the guitar with my thumb. It's very difficult. I'm gonna play bass with my other thumb, drums with my feet, and I'll sing. And by God, I will cheer for myself if I have to. I'm cheering for you guys. You guys are a nice crowd, man. Thank you. Especially you guys in the back. You guys always take 10s and 20s. I'm going to give you guys this finale. I am street performing. I'm raising funding to build new projects. Thanks for taking the time to come up. There's a triangle on the corner of the box. Green energy goes through the triangle. The QR code on the front of the box is my Venmo. Yes, you can tip $100 on Venmo. Thank you so much for having that idea. A 10 or a 20 is a massive tip, and seriously, thank you. No matter what you have, thanks for taking the time to come up, man. Are we still friends? Woo! You guys are a good crowd. Come up and tip at any time. You are watching Lone Sound Ranger.